So I had this old curved door and I had a paper mache hand, and I have an idea for an assemblage. I really kind of want my background to be a different color from my hand, and I'm not sure how that's going to work with a bottle bottom pour. But I'm going to start out with white, gold, silver, and cream for the background, and then I'm going to have shades of beige and brown for the hand, sort of to represent all the different peoples of Earth. For the first time in my life, when Susan said a bottle bottom pour, I did not have a Diet Coke bottle in the house. So I went up to 7-Eleven and I looked for a small bottle, and I ended up buying a 49-cent bottle of water from the 7-Eleven. And this is very different from the Diet Coke bottle I used in my last bottle bottom pour in that it is the dents are there are more dents and they're not as deep. So we're going to start with the color for the back. I appear to only be going over part of this. Clearly I'm crooked. Let me try to move this. Yeah, I may have to end up painting over that background. I'm going to move it forward now because it's clearly this is not working, y'all. Well, that didn't work, so let's try tilting this puppy. Forget it. Sorry, Susan. Yeah, that bottle bottom thing doesn't work for me. Well, now you guys get to see what happens when everything goes wrong. Because clearly this is not doing what I wanted it to do. I can't wait to see how everybody else does this, since I did it so poorly. this is my cock-up, and the hand looks really good. Doesn't really look like skin colors, but looks like brown marble of some sorts. So I'm happy with it. I will, in part 2, I will do the background, finish it. Thanks for watching my video. Please leave any questions or comments you might have, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you'll subscribe. Thanks again. Bye.